Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Leroy in Indiana. Leroy, you ordered this with just the basic tune and alignment. Well, we did just that for you. Hope everybody's ready for a big weekend coming up. So let's start with the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug, 2 watts all the way down, plenty low to run any amplifier that you're going to need to run with this radio. 20 all the way up. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 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 hello. 34 bird. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello. 78 peak. Alright. Well, there she is, ready to go. I hope you enjoy it, Mr. Leroy. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.